In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the Atom voice in ElevenLabs to sound human. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. There you'll notice a section called the Playground. Click on that, and then select the Text-to-Speech option. It's pretty straightforward, so just follow the prompts, and you're off to a great start. Once you're on the text-to-speech dashboard, it's time to select the Atom voice. On the right side of your screen, you should see the Settings menu. Click on that. Then navigate to the Voice tab, where you can search for Atom. After searching, select his voice model. This is crucial because the Atom voice has unique characteristics that you're going to tweak to make it sound more human-like. Now let's get into the fun part. Fine-tuning. Here comes the core sliders section. This is where you can really drill down into the settings that control how human your narration sounds. First up is speed. You'll want to adjust this slider to find a pacing that feels natural for how you want your script to be delivered. If it's too fast, it might sound robotic, and if it's too slow, it could feel dull. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Next, we have the stability slider. This lets you balance how consistent the voice sounds throughout the text. You might want to tweak it a bit to find the right level of emotional variation. For instance, sometimes you want that upbeat, lively inflection, while other times, a calmer tone may be more appropriate. Another integral part of this process is adjusting the similarity slider. This setting allows you to control how closely the AI sticks to the original Atom voice model. If you want something a bit different, maybe a unique emotional tone, play around with this setting. Now, don't forget about the style exaggeration. This slider is all about expression. By adjusting this, you can add more dramatic flair or personality to the narration. It can transform a plain reading into something engaging and dynamic, making it sound much less mechanical. Experimenting here can lead to some fantastic results. Once you've done all the fine-tuning, it's time for the final step: generate and test. Input the script you want the Atom voice to read and render the audio file. This is your opportunity to hear how everything comes together. Now here's the key. Listen closely and be open to making minor iterative adjustments to those sliders based on how your specific text sounds. You might find that with a few tweaks here and there, the voice will morph from sounding merely decent to strikingly human. And that's how you set up the Atom voice in ElevenLabs to sound human. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these tips help you create some fantastic audio content. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this information useful. See you next time.